Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an apartment tour in Futian near Coco Park. So Coco Park is a big nightlife area with lots of shopping malls and restaurants. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by showing you 3 studios. This studio is about 4,800 RMB, just the rent without management fees. It does have a nice small kitchenette area. The next studio is about 4,600 RMB. It comes with a fridge and a sink. No kitchen space, but no worries. It's very easy and cheap to order food to your home. And it's also common for people to not cook and just order out. But if you do want some kitchen space, kitchenette, or a full kitchen, there are other options for you available. This last studio is a little further out than the area I mentioned before, but it is still within Futian. It's about 4,900 RMB for rent. That does include management fees. It does have a separate sliding door for your kitchen space and the restroom. Moving on to the 1-bedrooms. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. It has a kitchen, living room, bedroom, separate shower, and a small balcony space, usually used to just hang clothing. This apartment is about 6,300 RMB for rent. It's a 1-bedroom as well, and the kitchen has a separate door. So it's nice because everything has its separate sections. And the bedroom has a nice view and has a lot of natural sunlight coming through. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video on how to find an apartment in Shenzhen and what things you should look for when searching. See you next time.